Bright sunshine to all. My name is Arpit Tripathi from class 9, present here to explain my model cell as a school. As the name suggests, we are comparing a cell from a school. So let's go inside the school. Firstly, we will see the security guard on the school gate. In the cell, the security guard is plasma membrane, which selects some organelles to enter the cell and some to leave it. Now, the principal of the school, which is nucleus in the cell. The nucleus acts as a principal by ensuring and directing all the activities happening in the cytoplasm. The term cytoplasm here is represented as the playground in the school. The cytoplasm is the field where all the metabolic reactions and other activities happen. Now, let's go with the cleaners of the school. Here, the cleaners refers to as lysosomes. Why? Because when the cell gets damaged or cracked, they burst digestive enzymes to destroy the cell. Now let's go with vacuole. Vacuole serve as the water coolers in the school. They store waters in it and also consume 50 to 90% volume of the cell. Now there are two types of school. One is government school and one is private one. The government gives us some more facilities like the plant cell, which gives us some more facilities. The more facilities include cell wall and plastids. Let's go deep in it. Cell wall is a rigid outer covering which protects the cell from getting damaged. And plastid, due to this plastid, that is chloroplast, which contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, the plants are green. There are three types of plastid: the chloroplast that I told you, the chromoplast that are responsible for the various variety of coloring in the fruits, and the leucoplast that is uncolored plastid but also store starch and oils. Now let's go deep in the endoplasmic reticulum. In our school, there is a staff room which prepares teacher. Staff room is endoplasmic reticulum. But what are the teachers? The teachers are ribosomes, which maintain the foundation of learning, that is protein, which gives energy to the cell. Now, the term energy is also included in this mitochondria. Our school needs electricity to run many appliances. Same in the cell, the mitochondria, that is also known as power generator of the cell, provides energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, in short ATP, that gives energy to the cell. Now Golgi apparatus. When a post or package gets in the school, the post office sends it to the student. Same in the cell, the Golgi apparatus act as a post office determining which post will be provided to which student. Okay, that's it for the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.